Hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right to the charts. As you can see from where we left off yesterday, Bitcoin is still holding this very important support, basically resistance into support flip that we had right here, and as you can see we are bouncing up perfectly. The move is for now continuing to the upside. We are up almost 4% basically from those support levels that we have right here. We broke through the Monday high as of today, you can see, and we are also currently trading above the weekly pivot. And now the most important thing is, can we see this pump continue to the upside and break above 96, or at least go up towards the 96. Firstly, we need to break out of the 618 Fibonacci level. Basically 94.5k is the most important level for Bitcoin as of right now. So once we break through the structure, then the monthly R3 would be very possible, and then we are potentially going to see something like this, since this high is here, and then we're gonna see price go up potentially and then do something like this while forming a bearish divergence right here. This is my prediction and outlook for now. Of course we can reject for like a fourth time. You can see we had rejected previously a couple of times, so if this time is gonna be different, nobody knows. But as you know, the more times a level gets tested, the higher the chances that this level gets broken. So we'll see how this one plays out. For now, if we look at the lower time frames, like the 15 minute with our daily pivots, you can see we are testing the last daily resistance that we have right here at around 93.6. And we did also, you can see, retest a couple of times the weekly open level. You can see here, and here we almost tested it, but once we broke out of the daily pivot, and even with the volatile news today with the CPI data, Bitcoin still managed to keep the pump going, as you can see. So as I said, now the most important thing is if we are going to see a rejection from this level, or we are going to see continuation. The stock market is doing pretty well. You can see the S&P 500 is having some kind of trouble at those levels, basically putting in a bearish swing failure pattern right here. You can see we failed to close above this high, and then the price got rejected, dropping down not even a whole percent, as you can see. Same goes for the Nasdaq, basically the same here. The dollar, however, as you can see, is gaining some momentum, which is not the best for Bitcoin, as you can see right here. So we are either going to see a breakout here for the dollar or a rejection from the monthly R1. And if we look at the open interest for this current move, you can see we do have some open interest coming back into the market, but not a lot. So this whole move, in my opinion, is just one big squeeze. We are out to get the liquidations, the liquidity that's sitting above us. You can see it is a lot, and Bitcoin is potentially going to push by the end of the week, in my opinion, to grab this liquidity. Of course, that is if we break through this level. But as things are looking right now, it is very possible that we break through this level. Fear and Greed Index still remaining at 41 in that neutral. Spot ETFs, we did have yesterday a sell-off from BlackRock, but as you can see, Fidelity bought, and some of the other institutions did also buy. So overall, we are up like 116 million in inflows from the spot ETFs. The long versus shorts ratio for the day, as you can see, is more buyers. We do have 20 billion in longs right now. So overall, nice volume in the markets. You can see volume did get pretty high on this move, so it is potentially a real move, as I said. funding rates still remaining negative on most of the major exchanges, and we do also have some news coming in tomorrow on Wednesday. This is also old data, as you can see, from October 2025, the PPI, so it is gonna be very, very interesting how things gonna play out. But I think this covers it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.